Hello viewer, we are going to generate. So there is a design we have generated here. Now I will fill up these portions with the shapes. So it's a shape I have taken on that side. Then I will make the other shape on this side. Here we are change the pattern to get a difference or uniqueness here. So we'll make further one. There is the other. I will choose for the more designs. Add a radical into the center. Here is the other one.